Good morning, class 6. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to class 6. Myself, Miss Yankee, I'll be teaching you computer. Like in class 5 also, I used to teach computer. In class 6 also, I'll be teaching you computer. If you have your book, then I'll be starting chapter 1 today, okay? And if you don't have your books, then it's fine. I'll be sending you notes, PDF and all, okay? Everything I'll be sending you. So just listen to me carefully. Today I will start with just an introduction about chapter categories of computer and computer languages. In class 5 we have already learned many things in computer, okay? In class 5 I taught you about computers, about Microsoft Word, about Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and I think you have learned about internet also in class 5. So in class 6 also you will be learning the same chapters, okay? But only thing is that in class 6 you will get some upgraded versions, okay? Upgraded versions of some added features in the chapters, some added features in some of the tools in Microsoft Word, some of the tools in Microsoft PowerPoint, in Excel. The chapters will be same, but in higher classes you will get more added features, okay? So today I would like to discuss the categories of computers and computer languages. Computer, you all know, is an electronic device. You all know about computer. Like computers are categorized into various types depending upon the size and their computing capabilities. You all know computers, there are different types of computers, okay? These computers are divided in various types. It depends on the capabilities, okay? Like I would like to give you a simple example of a mobile phone. You see many mobile phone in shop, okay? There are so many types of mobile phones. All these mobile phones are categorized depending upon the capabilities, okay? Like some of the phones are black and white, some of the phones are in color. In color phone also you'll get different varieties, different categories. Like some of the phones, some of the phones are smartphones, some of the phones have some features which are not there in the color phone. So these are the variations of phone. Like computer also, there are different types of computers, okay? It all depends on the capabilities, how capable it is, well, computing things, okay? So here in chapter 1 I would like to discuss about the types of computer. Computers ranges from supercomputer, you must have heard about a supercomputer, like robots and all are supercomputer, okay? Robotics, all these are supercomputer, which are large in size and have the highest computing capabilities, right? To tiny computers embedded in cars, calculators, washing machines and other appliances. We get a computer in our car also, we get a computer in washing machines also, we get a computer in a calculator also. So computer, it varies, okay? It depends on the capabilities of how capable it is, well, computing, okay? It's just a machine only. So you get a computer in a washing machine also, you get a computer in a car also, you get a computer in a calculator also, and you get a computer in a robots also, right? We are often surrounded by multiple computers of various shapes and size. Computers, they have got various shapes and size. It depends on how large it is in size and how small it is in size, right? So besides shape and size, computer also differ from each other in terms of their speed and uses. This is very, very important. Computer, actually it is categorized based on the speed and the users. We all have, there are so many computers, but it all depends on how fast it works, okay? How speed it works. Some of these types of computer are the mobile computers. These computers are super small and mobile. Mobile computers are those computers that can be carried around and taken from place to place. You know, the mobile computers, this is a mobile, this is also a computer, okay? This is a computer. This is a very, very small computer which can be taken, okay? You can take it wherever you want. This is very, very small in size, right? There are many different types of mobile computers. Following is the list of devices that are categorized on mobile computers. So let me give you an example of mobile computers. First one is the laptop, okay? laptop. This is also laptop computer. These are thin and lightweight computers that can be carried anywhere. So children, as you all know, you have seen also, you have used also, you have touched also, you have seen these laptop computers. These are very, very thin, okay? You can always carry wherever you want, okay? These are handy. These are laptop computers are very, very light also, and they are also called, so they are also known as notebooks and netbooks. You may call it a notebook or you may call it a netbook, because these laptops are accessible wherever you take it. If you are flying in a plane also, you can always use a laptop computer, right? So laptop operates on rechargeable batteries. It's not that it has to be recharged 24 hours. Once the laptop is recharged, you can always carry and use it. And if the battery goes down, you can again recharge it, right? So therefore, they can be easily used while traveling or being at a location where the power source is not available for some time. So if you don't have an electricity, if you don't have a power also, still you can use a laptop because it is rechargeable. You can always recharge it. You can always charge it whenever the electricity is available, and you can take it wherever you go where there is no electricity also, you can use it. And in addition, some laptops have touch screens which enable you to interact with the computer by touching a screen with the fingertips. Laptops usually have 13 to 15 inches screen. You all know that laptop computers have 13 to 15 inches screen, and some of the laptops are touch screen. You can always touch with the help of your finger to operate laptop smart computer. Then comes table, PC or tabs. Tab means it is quite smaller than laptop, but it is bigger than the mobile phones. So these computers enable you to write or draw on the screen by using your finger. You can always use, you can draw lines, you can draw something on the tab using your finger, okay? The finger acts as a mouse while moving over a tablet PC. This feature is termed as a touch screen feature, and there is no keyboard attached to a tablet. So children, you must have seen a tablet. So this is a tablet. Tab, you will get a pen also. You can use a finger also, and you can use a pen also to touch, to draw something on the tab. You will not get the keyboard like you get it in the laptop, okay? In a tab you will not get keyboard, because in a tab the keyboards are inbuilt, okay? When you touch it, you will get all the keys, alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, symbol keys, everything will be there in the tablet. So these are all mobile computers, okay? So children, now comes the smartphone. Smartphones, I would like to discuss the smartphones in my next class, because today is an introduction class. I don't want to go into details, and I don't want to complete this chapter today itself. Just to remind you, like computers, there are different types of computers, because the chapter it deals with the categories of computer and computer languages also. In this chapter we are going to learn about computer languages also, and we are going to learn about the different categories of computers. So today I have discussed you about mobile computers, which comprises of laptop computer and tablet computer. So if you have a laptop, if you have a tablet at home, just have a look at it properly, okay, and just see the size of a laptop and size of a tablet. It's a computer. It's a computer, and you see the features are same in laptop also. The features are, whatever features are there in laptop also, it is there in tablet also, right? So you just compare the features and get ready. In my next class I will discuss about the smartphones, okay? It is also a computer, okay children? So have a good day. If you have your book, please go through whatever we have discussed today. See you in my next class. Thank you.